finally making another vlog today. I didn't make a vlog in a long time because I've been inside all the time and I haven't been doing anything. But today I'm on the roof and I want to show you this. So this time of year it's normal for it to snow like way over there on the mountains. Over here where I stay it doesn't really snow because we are close to the beach. So today we're gonna go on a drive all the way to the mountains to see if there's some snow left. The sun has been out for a while, so it's probably already melted, but at least I can see there's still snow. So let's go check that out. It's in the car now. We're heading off to see the snow. Romeo is coming along. Say, Romy, have you ever seen snow? Oh, you have you now? How about a snowball fight? Have you ever had a snowball fight? Do you ever make a snowman? Oh, you have? Okay. Move your butt. Yes, I've got some good news. I got my drone back. I know I was talking about buying a new drone because it would be too expensive to fix my old drone. But anyway, it turned out it was not that expensive, so got it back. Hey man, what are you doing? I think he's actually a sheep. He's like a black sheep eating some grass. There it is, there's the snow. That peak over there is called Groenberg. Direct translation for that would be Green Mountain.
Except for today, it's White Mountain.
Yeah, it's White Mountain. I'm gonna try this new app. It's called Peak Lens. It's supposed to like use your camera and your GPS to like show you what's the name of the peaks. So I just wanna check if we got the right mountain there. I'm supposed to be doing this because I need to calibrate them. We got it on! So that one is called Klein Wellington Sneeuwkop, which means small Wellington snow hill, I think. Greenberg is over there. Anyway. Okay, on the way again. Hey man, hey man. Look at that over there, that is a springbok, which is also known as world's best rugby team. That is like the emblem or the symbol of our national rugby team, which is the best rugby team in the world. Okay, very disappointing. We have to turn around now because Bain's Pass is closed. It would have been a nice view and probably less quiet than what we would have had in Stellenbosch or Franschhoek. But anyway, turning around now, going there. look at that, it kind of feels like you're in a movie. Man, so beautiful. Anyway, today was just an excuse to test the drone, and I used the snow just as an excuse to make a vlog. So I'm gonna spin home because I've got one more interesting update to give you. Yeah, back home now. I guess we probably went a little bit too late with the seeing of the snow because apparently yesterday was the day you should have gone. Anyway, so what I wanted to tell you, I finally got money, the first ever money from YouTube. Kind of difficult and it took some time to set up, but I finally got my first ever money from YouTube, and I used it to buy this tripod that I was using today to vlog with. This is the Manfrotto Element. The reason why I bought this tripod is because it folds up really small compared to my other one, my old one. This is my old tripod. This is the new tripod folded up, and this is the old tripod folded up. So if I put them next to each other, you can see it's that much different, which is a really big difference if you consider if I want to put this old tripod in the bag, it sticks out that much, and the new one fits in perfectly with a lot of room to spare. So I'm really stoked with that. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.